Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I truly hope you guys are having a great day. I'm coming to you with another video of a complete living room makeover. If you're not subscribed to the channel, take a moment, show your girl some love. Hit that button, turn on your bell, you'll never miss another upload. If you enjoy these kind of videos, keep on watching. Before we get started, this is what the living room look like. This is the before. And now we're gonna start with the makeover. This is the empty room. We take everything out and then we're gonna start rearranging and putting stuff back. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a quick vacuum of the area. We are unboxing a new piece of furniture. If you're curious to know what it is, keep on watching. Did you guess what it is? If you guess sofa, you are correct. And now we're gonna put it together. Stay tuned. And links for this sofa will be in the description box, so take a look. Maybe you'll like it and can get yourself one. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, take a moment, hit that button, show your girl some love, so you'll never miss another upload. And now it's all put together. It's pretty nice. Beautiful. My husband did all the work. It's starting to take shape. Guys, this is the reveal of my living room. If you're not subscribed to the channel, take a moment, show your girl some love. Most of the stuff I already tell you where I bought them. So for the other stuff, I'll put them in the link in this description box. So take a look. If you like anything, the link will be in the description box. Guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.